Don't put any meaning to that. It's just coincidental. It's not complicated, it's coincidental. We have to check. If ever it is, it's no pun intended, no meaning to that. It's just coincidental, if ever it is.
Nagkataon lamang at hindi dapat bigyan ng masamang kahulugan ang nalalapit na sinking exercise na isasagawa sa karagatang malapit sa Ilocos Norte bilang bahagi ng balikatan exercises ngayong taon. Ang napili kasing barko na palubugin ay ang decommissioned vessel ng Philippine Navy na BRP Lake Caliraya, ang kaisa-isang Navy vessel na gawa sa China. Ayon kay Philippine Navy Flag Officer in Command, Vice Admiral Toribio Adasi Jr., matagal at luma na ang naturang barko.
The vessel has been used in the Philippines for a long time. So any attachment, if ever there is any, doesn't matter at all.
Hindi naman direktang inamin ng Navy na gawa sa China ang barko na halos nasa 50 taon na ang edad. Ito ay barko para sa Philippine National Oil Company na kalaunan ay ibinigay nila sa Philippine Navy. Ngunit hindi rin ito nagtagal sa serbisyo dahil marami ng mechanical problems.
This is an old tanker. We commissioned it in the Navy several years ago for to support the conduct of our naval operations. Yes, it's an old tanker, but because we can no longer, we found it appropriate to decommission it, so as not to incur so much expenses on repair and maintenance, and we reserved it for exercises such as balikatan, so we can have a target for our firing.
Pero ang China, nauna nang inalmahan ng planong ito ng Pilipinas at US. Sa isang pahayagan na Global Times, sinabi nito na hindi dapat masyadong excited ang Pilipinas sa pagpapalubog ng barko dahil hindi nito kayang gawin sa totoong barko ng China. Mayroon din daw hangganan ang pasensya ng China at kapag nasagad ito at mailagay sa red line ang kapayapaan at stability sa South China Sea dahil sa Pilipinas at puwersang galing sa labas ay mapipilitang gumawa ng hakbang ang China na siguradong hindi kakayanin ng Pilipinas. Samantala, hindi naman papuputukin ang mid-range capability missile system na dinala ng US bilang bahagi ng Salaknib 2024 at Balikatan. May kakayahan ito na tamaan ng target sa layong 1,000 kilometro at maaaring magpakawala ng Standard Missile 6 at Tomahawk Land Attack Missile.
This particular capability is for us to learn on how this kind of assets will particularly benefit on its speedy mobilization if needed.
Ryan Lacanlale, UNTD News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.